Everybody. So I wanted to show you something that is going to help us collaborate a little bit better and get our data out and our maps out for each other to view and kind of in one centralized place. And this is going to be the case whether you're working in maps or working on maps that started in online or pro, because at the end of the day, you're still going to be pushing them to online regardless. So pro project always going to end up online. That's going to stay in terms of a step that I'm wanting you guys to do. But now we're going to take it even further and publish those directly to Canvas. So this will eliminate the little page that says mark when done kind of thing. No, you're going to post your map to your discussion page with your comments, and then everybody's going to see them all in the same place. And this should be how we turn in our assignments. Okay. So I have a item page here for a map. I know that this says lab 8. That's different than probably what you're thinking, but just forget about that part. This is just an arbitrary piece. Maybe I was working on it at some point. Yeah, obviously the date's different. That doesn't matter. Just know that I'm working on a map here. Okay. And I've got to a place where I'm in the item page. I want to share it now. There's a problem, and I don't know if that's just something that's currently happening with Google Chrome, or it's been like that for a while. It didn't used to, as far as I know, but there's a glitch right now. So the browser I have is Chrome, and if I click share, it doesn't do anything. Okay, so that's a problem. The workaround that they have told people to use now is to simply log in to your ArcGIS Align with a different web browser. Annoying, but that's what we have to do, at least for the time being. Maybe the glitch will be fixed by the time you watch this. I don't know. Anyways, so I'm going to use Microsoft Edge as a browser, and I've already done that, and I've already logged on to online here. So I have the same map and everything posted, and if I go to share, notice that I have something show up now, which is good. But I want to go even further. I'm going to go to the Open in Map Viewer Classic button, this blue button right here. Okay, click on that. And that's going to bring up my map. All right. And now I'm going to go ahead and click this share button right here. And yours is probably not checked, this everyone box. So go ahead and check that. Okay, because what we're looking for is this little thing here called embed in website. Check that. Okay, and then your embed in the website shows up. So click on that button. Now, you could try messing around with some of these settings. I did earlier, and it seemed to mess up what I posted on Canvas. So I want to leave everything as is. I'm not going to change one setting whatsoever. Okay, I'm just going to leave it as is. And I'm going to say copy here like this. Okay, so this is the code I'm looking for. Copy, done. And then I'm going to go back to, now I'm going to go to Canvas. All right, so find, this is just an example, but find like whatever the discussion is for the module you're working on. Go ahead and post your map in the discussion board. Okay, so like, for example, if I were to reply to this like this, instead of just posting, whoops, how did that work? How did that happen? Instead of just posting the code, that's not going to do anything. What I have to do is enable the embed feature, which is over here. I'm going to try this. It might not work. It might, I don't know, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to embed my code, submit. Okay, so that's not working. Here's another way to try this. If you go over to this little button here, which is the HTML reader, if you click on that mode, and then just at the very top of your comment, paste your embed code, right? So you end up with all this stuff. Then go back to the regular text editor. Your map should show up like this. Okay. Now, if I post it, okay, there's my, my name. I've typed some things as well, whatever the prompt asked me to do. And I have now a map, ta-da, that came right from ArcGIS Online. The same thing. And now everybody can scroll through and check this out, right? Here's another example I posted from a 3D scene, which is actually one of the labs from spatial GIS, spatial analysis in GIS. So if you join me for that class, you'll see stuff like this, more 3D stuff, more raster stuff. But yeah, these are just a couple examples. I would like to see your maps posted this way from now on. Yeah, just make sure you follow any of the text directions I posted. And this way we can all see each other's stuff all in one great place. Okay, thanks so much.